I would like to multiply 9 times 10 to the 9th power times negative 2 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. And so I encourage you, pause the video, see if you can work through this. All right. So the first thing I would want to do is let's just change the order of multiplication. Let's multiply the 9 and the negative 2 first, and then we can multiply the 10 to the 9th and 10 to the negative 3rd power. So if I were to change the order, we could write this as 9 times negative 2, 9 times negative 2 times 10 to the 9th power times 10, let me do this color, times 10 to the 9th power times 10 to the negative 3rd power times 10 to the negative 3rd power. Now what's 9 times negative 2? Well, 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times negative 2 is going to be negative 18. So that's negative 18. And what is 10 to the 9th times 10 to the negative 3? Well, if I have a number raised to some exponent times that same number, I have 10, I have the same base for both of these, times that same number raised to another exponent, this is going to be the same thing as that number, as that base, raised to the sum of these exponents. This comes straight out of our exponent properties. So this is going to be 10 to the 9 plus negative 3 power. 9 plus, actually let me use those colors so you see where that 9 and that negative 3 came from. 9 plus negative 3 power. 9 plus, this color, I'm having trouble changing colors. 9 plus negative 3 power. Now what's this going to be? Well, this is going to be equal to negative 18 times 10 to the 9 plus negative 3, same thing as 9 minus 3, which is 6. Negative 18 times 10 to the 6th power. And if you wanted to think about, well, what number is this? 10 to the 6th, that's 1 with 6 zeros. This is a million. Negative 18 times a million, it's going to be negative 18 million. Or we could say negative 18 times 10 to the 6th. Either way. But this is another way we could have written this. We could have written this as negative 18. Let me write the zeros with the green just for fun. Negative 18 million. Either way is a legitimate way to represent this number.